Hi and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to change username on X. First of all, open X application on your phone, and now you want to tap your profile picture at the top left, and then you want to scroll down to settings and privacy, then enter section that's called your account. Here you want to go to account information, and finally at the top find your username. So tap it, and here in this page you can see your current username, and here in this field you can enter your new username. So are you sure you want to change your username? Tap continue and basically enter your new username, update it, and when you're done, when everything looks fine, tap done at the top right to save your new username. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.